Dear students, I am going to teach you today Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. It is the first unit, first topic. So here I am going to teach you what is artificial intelligence, what is the role of artificial intelligence, and what are the applications of artificial intelligence. So here I will cover these topics. Course overview, can machine thinks, what is artificial intelligence, Turing test, a brief history of artificial intelligence, application area or usage of artificial intelligence, characteristics of artificial intelligence, applications, goals of artificial intelligence. AI is interdisciplinary. It means where you can use the what other fields where we can use the artificial intelligence. Strong I will compare strong AI versus weak AI also. So your course, when we talk about your course contains 5 units, where unit first contain introduction of artificial intelligence, unit second contain understanding natural language processing. It means and what is the how can you use natural language, context sensitive analysis, etc. Unit 3 cover knowledge representation, where you will understand several way of knowledge representation. Unit 4 contain expert system. Expert system is a expert system contains the artificial intelligence things, and there are several existing expert system available, as well as you can make your own expert system. Existing expert system like Dendral, Mycen, and recently expert system developed by Government of India is called Arup Setu. And Unit 5 contains pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is based on the machine learning or data analytics. And second topic of the Unit 5 is called the programming language, where it contains the introduction of programming language. Introduction of programming language, where by the help of this programming language you can develop logic. It is also called the logic programming language. List Lisp and programming logic and list kind of language. These all kind of slides we are taking from Russell and Norvig book of artificial intelligence, and other artificial intelligence book is called Rich and Knight. You can use this book. This is the very common book of artificial intelligence. It is also mentioned in your syllabus. So, before going to give the definition of artificial intelligence, I am going to talk you one thing. Uh, it means I am going to explain you about artificial intelligence with examples. So, in 1950, one paper in conference published by the Alan Turing, uh, the title of the paper was "Can Machine Think?" So, it means either machine can uh, behave like human, either machine think like human, either machine solve problems, solve problem like human. So these are the four property of machine, intelligent machines. First one is the reasoning. In case of when we talk about the reasoning just like a human intelligence. See, suppose uh, in one qualifying examinations, 40% marks are defined for qualifying that particular examinations. If you have feel that 40% marks is qualifying marks, then if some persons uh, find 60% marks, then machine automatically pass his or her person. So this is the uh, reasoning of machine, intelligence of machine. Second thing is the learning. Learning of the machine should be like a human learning. Suppose this is also called machine learning, uh, just like a human learning. Human learn every time in his or her life. So according to human learning, machine also learn. Suppose human learn with his or her mistakes, and sometimes when human commit mistake on that particular area, then human will not repeat. Similarly, machines would not repeat at this kind of problem. That is called problem solving. There are several things come under machine. Several things come under human life for problem solving. Uh, how to solve a problem in games, in other day-to-day life problems. Similarly, machine also solve the problem. Fourth thing is called the perceptions. Perceptions means how the machine perceives according to the scenario. Suppose that if you are going with some car, in that in some way there are so much traffic, some path is not okay, then you will not prefer that path. Similarly, Tesla's companies create a intelligent car. This car also follow the same thing. When this car perceives some obstacle in in the its path, then definitely this car will also not follow that. When we talk about the definition of the artificial intelligence, then artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines and the branch of computer science that aims to create it. So artificial intelligence means you have to make the machine intelligence, and it's come under the computer science. AI is the study of how to make computer do things which at the moment people do better, according to the definition of Nature and Knight book. And another book is Lugar Stubblefield. Is according to its the definition of artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science that is connected with the automation of intelligence behavior. AI is the study and design of intelligent agent, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and take action that maximize its chances of success. So, according to this definition, the aim of AI is to generate an intelligent system. Intelligent system like intelligent car, robot, these kind of things are called the intelligent agent. Intelligent agents are also called the expert system. It has intelligent program. On the basis of its intelligent program, it perceives the environment and take actions. Another definition of AI is a computation model of human behavior, program that behave like human, computation model of human thought process, program that operate the way human do, computational system that behave intelligently is also a definition of any program that behave intelligently is called the intelligent program. Computational system that behave rationally does the right thing given what is not. Rationally means logically. Any computer program which behave logically, this is called the logical thinking of program, which come under artificial intelligence. So when we talk about the category of artificial intelligence, so category of artificial intelligence fall into four categories. These are the thinking humanly, thinking rationally, acting humanly, and acting rationally. The I am coming on this description in next slide. The definition of AI gives four possible goals to pursue. System that think like human. System that think like rationally. First one means system which can think like human, just like when as human think, according to the human system also think. If human think this way is not perfect for me, this path is not perfect for me. Similarly, machine also thinks. For this purpose, we can apply machine learning here. System that think rationally. System that think rationally. System uh, generally we cannot follow the Oscos work. We follow only rationally work. We have to prove everything with the rationally logic on the basis of the logics. So system also think rationally. System that act like human. System just as human system should act like human, and human system that act rationally. These are the four possible goals of pursuit. So according to these four things, we are taking its example. If system think human like, then this is come under cognitive science approach. If system think rationally, then this is come under law of thought approach. If system act like human, then this is called Turing test approach. This is the Turing test approach is the example of system uh, act like human, and system act like rationally. Examples is rational agent approach. So these are the four approach we can describe one by one. But currently I am describing only Turing test approach, where system act like human. So this is the Turing test given by Alan Turing. Alan Turing is a scientist uh, who published paper in 1950, and on that paper he proposed the Turing test, and this test is the computation machine and intelligence based, and it is an operational test for intelligent behavior. The imitation games. This is the imitation game. So I am uh, describing this test. In this test, there are two rooms. In one room is the human interrogator, and another room is the one is the human, and the second one is the artificial intelligence based machine. So, from the first room, human interrogator asks some questions uh, in the printing way to both the human and AI system, and expecting the answer uh, from both. If machine give answer of human, if machine give answer of human, and human interrogator think that this answer is given by human, then this is the thing of Turing test. It means machine is making fool of human interrogator, and human interrogator thinking that this answer is given by human. So this is the Turing test, and this test says that machine can think. So suggested major component of AI: knowledge, reasoning, language understanding, learning. So these are the four things: knowledge is increasing, reasoning, knowledge, language understanding, learning. So this is the history of artificial intelligence. First of all, in 1941, first electronic computers came. In 1941 to 1943, first commercial stored program computer came. In 1949 to 1956, AI, birth of AI-based program developed. Uh, in 1950, Turing test available by RM test. In 1956 to 1958, logical programming Lisp language developed. In 1963, start of Department of Defense Advanced Research Project developed. In 1968, Micro World program created that uses Logo programming language. In 1970, first expert system developed. In 1972, Prolog language was developed. In 1991, AI system beats human chess master. Chess master is also game in computer also. So, however, chess game is developed by humans, but this chess game is defeat. This chess game beats human chess master. Means Snarant. Application area of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is applying in everywhere. There are the most important games, most important area of the artificial intelligence are game playing and theorem proving. There are several games are coming on the base of the artificial intelligence base and theorem proving. Theorem is also proved by artificial intelligence. Common sense reasoning, reasoning about physical object and their relationship, and reasoning about actions and their consequence. Example GPS. Suppose if you are going somewhere from one place to another place, if uh, there are two paths, if one path, if you are going to uh, that path, if that path is having very much traffic, then definitely you will find problem in travel. So this path showing, so GPS system showing, and this path have heavy traffic, so you should not follow this path. So and time decrease or increase according to that traffic or another things. Perception. Perception is based on natural language understanding and problem solving in specialized domains such as medical diagnosis and chemical analysis. According to the perception, human behave. Similarly, machine also behave according to the perception. So natural language understanding is the one kind of perception. Just like a human can understand the word. These words are in the happy mode. These words are in sad mode. According to the machine, also the percepts. Expert system. There are several expert system available which are based on the machine artificial intelligence. For example, RBQ app, RBQ app. RBQ app is also an expert system where on the basis of the Bluetooth and GPS system, if some person's data is available, then if some person is near with him or her, then this RBQ app indicate that this person is COVID positive or not. Speech recognition, computer vision, and machine learning are also the application area of artificial. Characteristics of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence characteristics are ability to act intelligently. If some artificial intelligence program, then its ability to act intelligently. If you are making some program, then if it is not act intelligently, then this is the simple program. Ability to simulate functioning of human brain. It means as your human brain work, as our human brain functioning work, similar to artificial intelligence program ability. Ability to adapt and learn as an intelligent human. The capability of artificial intelligence programs should uh, it should adapt and learn an intelligent human, not a full human. Ability to process symbol and natural language like human. Ability to perform an intelligent task. In the case of the GPS system, when some path having heavy traffic, then you should not follow, and it should the guidance. It should be guided. It should provide by GPS system to human. You should not follow that path, and you should follow the path that doesn't have heavy traffic. Goals of AI: it replicates human intelligence. So, what is the goal of AI? Human intelligence should be simulated by AI. Solve knowledge intensive tasks. Intelligent connection between perception and actions. Enhance human computer and computer interaction. So human enhance is the normal way, but human computer and computer to computer interaction is should be enhanced. So this is the main focus of artificial intelligence, that computer to computer interaction should be happen. So this thing is come under machine talking. Computer to computer interaction come under machine talk. To create expert system. The system will exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advises user. This is also a goal of artificial intelligence. To implement human intelligence in machine, creating system that understand, think, learn, and behave like human. Currently, AI is using in various fields. So you can use the AI not only in the computer science but also in several other fields like computer science, psychology, philosophy, linguistics, cognitive science, neurology, engineering. Artificial intelligence, another like you can say the neural network. Your neural network, the branch of artificial intelligence where we use the concept of neurology. So this is the last slide where I am going to describe some difference between strong AI versus weak AI. So strong AI use only the computer intelligence, but weak AI use the computational intelligence along with human interference. So with strong AI, machine can actually think and carry out tasks on their own, just like human do. With weak AI, the machine cannot do this on their own and rely heavily on human interference. Strong AI has a complex algorithm that help it act in different situations, while all the action in weak AI are pre-programmed by a human. So weak AI is based on the human intelligence also. Strong AI powered machines have a mind of their own. They can process and make independent decisions, while weak AI based machine can only simulate human behavior. So these are the three difference in strong AI versus weak AI. Thank you.